Thank you for tuning in. This is student meteorologist Paul Taschereau. It is quite chilly outside. Temperatures struggling to get past 40 as of 2 p.m., but we do have partly to mostly sunny skies outside our Midtown campus. And for the rest of the day today, it's going to remain actually quite cold when you factor in the winds gusting of 25. It's making it feel more like the low to mid 30s, and keep in mind we should be in the mid 50s this time of year. And we are going to look at multiple snow chances throughout the next 5 days. I will touch upon this throughout this forecast, and temperatures will remain below average through the next 5 days. Going over to the surface map, we have an area of high pressure to our south and west. This will build in tonight. This is going to set the stage for temperatures to really drop overnight tonight. Across the central part of the country, we have a complex frontal system. This will push in our direction tomorrow, and a warm front will approach us tomorrow morning and push through tomorrow afternoon before a cold front moves through late tomorrow evening. Checking out the satellite, here are those clouds that we saw in that picture I took streaming in from the north and west. These will move off the coast and skies will become mainly clear for tonight. Checking out the radar, we do have some lake effect snow showers across New York and Pennsylvania. Most of this is not reaching the ground. Across the central part of that country, here's that moisture with that frontal system. Not a whole lot of moisture with it right now, but as it approaches, some moisture will work in from the Atlantic Ocean. Let's time some of this snow and rain for you out tomorrow with one of our forecast models. Warm front about 8 a.m. is still going to be well off to our south and west, but on the leading edge of it, we're going to see a burst of snow as temperatures will be quite cold. By about 12 p.m. Tomorrow afternoon, one of our forecast models showing, see these darker blues, that's indicating a burst of moderate to heavy snows. So I do think between 8 a.m. and noon tomorrow, we will see a burst of moderate to heavy snow across much of the state. But as warmer air works in, this should end as some rain showers early tomorrow afternoon. How much snow can we see with this? Not a whole lot, because it's a quick mover up to a coating across extreme southern Connecticut, maybe upward of 1 to 2 inches further inland, and in the northwest and northeast hills where some of that cold air hangs in place a bit longer. Some towns could see upwards of 2 to 3, maybe even 4 inches of snow. Now let's quickly talk about Saturday snow. I mentioned the cold front will be pushing through late tomorrow afternoon. That's going to stall to our south and east. As this stalls, an area of low pressure is going to develop up along it. The big question is, where does this front stall? The latest indications are this happens further south, and that's going to keep the heavier snow south. But if this ends up stalling, say 50 miles further north, see these darker blues? This would come over Connecticut, and you'll be talking about moderate to heavy snows on Saturday and potentially upwards of several inches. But again, all the latest indications are that this stays well to our south. But for tonight, it will be cold out there. Temperatures falling to around 20 degrees, but clouds do begin to increase after 2 to 3 a.m. And for tomorrow, we got the morning bursts of snow, ending as rain showers early afternoon. This high of 46 probably happens in the later part of tomorrow afternoon in my 5-day forecast. Again, we are watching that storm on Saturday. Indications are it stays further to the south, so we won't have to worry about snow. Sunday is breezy and cool. Again, we should be in the mid-50s, but we're talking mid-40s. And then Monday into Tuesday, we are watching another storm that is off to our south and east, but indications are that that remains well to our south and east, but we will keep an eye on it for you. As always, you can follow us on social media. I'm student meteorologist Paul Taschereau. Thank you for watching.